Mobile working has been a big element of the innovation project. The use of tablet PC to provide service to customers in their own homes in Crawley has been a great success, and the project was the finalist in the eGovernment Awards earlier this year. David Harper at Mid Sussex District Council has been leading the project.
The device we're using is an XDA Orbit, which we've procured through O2, and has some handy-pick software which allows photographs and data to be collected. That information is then sent through into a secure server and into our database. From a member of the public's perspective, the virtual team of Mid Sussex are reporting the incidents far more quickly. Officers don't have to be specialists, collect this data, send it through to the enforcement team, so there's a quick, faster resolution to the problem. From the council's perspective, obviously we've used this process to help us to simplify systems and also to work in partnership with the county council and 2 of our 3 town council squads who actually resolve some of these problems. The graffiti issues have come up as being probably our #1 environmental crime, but it's actually produced a whole series of very interesting bits of data which we will hope to explore in the future and actually to develop the software systems to speed up resolution of other street scene issues. Yep, they'll photograph the incident, they'll categorise the graffiti or other incidents. Literally within the press of a button, within about a minute, the whole issue has been sent through back to our council systems. So it's literally on someone's desktop within about a minute. The information also has a GPS positioning, so not only can we see similar patterns in terms of the actual graffiti tags, but we can plot these incidents geographically, and we can work with Sussex Police to help catch the perpetrators.
The Sussex Improvement Partnership Governance Group meets every 6 weeks to discuss policy and review progress. The meeting is chaired by Councillor Carl Maynard, leader of the Sussex Improvement Partnership, and includes representatives from East Sussex County Council, West Sussex County Council, Brighton and Hove City Council and key project leaders. Project initiation documents, or PIDs, are brought to the governance groups for approval and allocation of funds. Venues for meetings are shared between Sussex Improvement Partnership members. The last 2, for example, were held at Brighton and Hove City Council and at East Sussex County Council. Of course, the job of coordinating local authorities takes a lot of effort, and the project team based in Brighton and Hove have undertaken a lot of work. Ula Ostanovich has been to most SIP board meetings, and she and her colleagues know most of the participants in the various projects.
31 projects, successful projects in 1 year across Sussex. It's a really big achievement, and we shouldn't waste it. We should build on it. We should use our networks for the next 3 years and in the future, and really deliver and provide excellent services for our customers. And I think when we join our forces and our strengths and a little bit limit working together our weaknesses, we can do that. And I think there's a big role to play for leaders, chief executives, because with their support and their activity and their agreement, we can make it happen. Last year we organised the first Sussex Leaders Chief Executive meetings, first Pan Sussex conference. I think there's a big opportunity, first time, to meet all these people together, that they can share their experience, they talk about their priorities, meet together, and be familiar with each other, because all these districts, boroughs and council of Sussex, they're a little bit different, and it's important that they have the links and communication in between. If we have one voice from Sussex, we can make Sussex voice much stronger, heard on the regional and national level, and that's, I think, where we need to go to. If we play together as a team, I think we can win much more for our residents that we're doing working separately.
So Mike, we've heard a lot today about Improvement and Efficiency South East. Could you say a bit about how Improvement and Efficiency South East is going to work with the Sussex Improvement Partnership and what the regional arrangements are now?
Well, it's very much about helping Sussex build on the good work that's already been done by the Improvement Partnership, really by linking that up both with the other sub-regional partnerships we have in the South East and also with the regional theme partnerships that we have on specialist areas like waste and social care. It'll be a two-way street, because it's not just about Sussex benefiting, but also hopefully it'll be about spreading the word on what Sussex are doing that will help others in the region as well, and hopefully join everything up so that things are happening at a regional level, but to increase the benefits that Sussex are getting from all this activity.
And what are the ways in which partners around the Sussex Improvement Partnership table can participate in the regional level projects?
Well, we really see for the Sussex authorities, the Sussex Improvement Partnership really will be the hub and first point of call. But what we hope is that the Sussex Improvement Partnership will have good knowledge and good relationships with the other partnerships in the region, and be able to link up Sussex authorities with those partnerships where appropriate. And we also recognise that we need to make sure that the other partnerships are joining up well with Sussex where they can benefit. So really, the local authorities in Sussex should first of all foremost see Sussex Improvement Partnership as their main source of support, but hopefully be aware that Sussex Improvement Partnership is part of the wider Improvement and Efficiency South East, and that helps them get even more benefits than they have done in the last few years.